you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you an order that I placed by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I wanted to show you an order that I placed by Gogh Jewelry Design. I actually was so excited when I saw that they posted for Friday the 13th. They had a $13 sale. And I was like, $13 for these bracelets? I have to check that out. So when I saw that there was so many of them that they had for this $13 sale, I went and rushed to my Instagram and I posted it on there telling you guys, if you want to know, there's $13. I just placed my order. You might want to grab it before they sell out and they stop doing that because it was just for a few days that they did it. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I do a lot of like posts to let you guys know things. So you might want to follow me if you want to keep up to date with stuff like this. But I was just, again, blown away, $13. And then when I went to go and order everything and I was putting stuff in my cart and I went to go to the cart to cash out, it showed one was free. And I was like, wait a minute. So I went and looked and I guess they had like a buy two, get one free. So I added a few more to my cart. So I ended up getting 3 free. So then I probably bought, what, 2, 4, 6 of them? I don't know, but I have quite a few in here now and I wanted to show you and I'm super, super excited. So this is, oh, and then there was free gifts on top of that. Like I don't even know how in the world she just did this. Like I don't even understand. So one of the free gifts that I got was this right here, and it's selenite, but look at the carving on there. Let me open this up. And this is a big, good size too, like a big palm stone kind of it. Like, look at this thing. Look how big, and this was free. This was free just because of my order. Now, if you would like to know, because every single one always comes with one of these cards, and I love that because it tells you more information. There's always a picture, so you can use it as a reference. So for this one, selenite is one of the most important tools in any energy worker or crystal lover's arsenal. Through clearing energy blockages, selenite allows for liquid light energy fluidity. Its extremely high vibrations flood your energy field with the highest vibrations of light. And again, that was free, but look at the carving on there. That is just gorgeous. So that was just a free gift. And then there was another free gift in here as well. I guess once you spent a certain amount, there was another thing that popped up. So this one says, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. It says, enjoy your free gift. And it is a manzanite. Is that how you say that? But look at how beautiful. And I do tell you guys, and when I do the monthly subscription box, I do tell you guys that sometimes, because it's mainly silver jewelry, sometimes on a rare occasion, you might find a gold or a rose gold colored chain. So this is a great example for me to show you like a rose gold chain, but that looks really pretty. It definitely complements like the brownish color on the stone, but look at how gorgeous that is. Look at how big of a piece that is too, like for a necklace. Yeah, that is gorgeous. And that one was free too. Enjoy your free gift. And I was like, and then I had some free, I couldn't believe it. I could not believe all of the free stuff. So here, oh, and then for this particular crystal, and this one here says, a manzanite, I think, called the stone of courage and stone of truth. It empowers one to search itself and discover one's own truth and integrity, and to move beyond fear or judgment or confrontation with others to live in alignment with those beliefs and values. It provides the freedom to express one's thoughts and feelings. So that sounds like a great one to definitely wear on you. So there's the 2 things. Again, those are free. That wasn't even, it ended up being part of my order, but I didn't pay for those. So that is awesome. I still have a handwritten card. She does that in the monthly box, and I always think that that's amazing because a handwritten card, attention to detail, it's just the thought of everything that goes into that box. So there's a handwritten card, and then there's a magical holiday season because I just got it a few days ago. So there's like a Christmas card in there as well. That's gorgeous. And then they also put in one of their flyers going over some of their amazing jewelry from their shop online. If you don't want to do a subscription, you can purchase all of their individual items. They have bracelets, necklaces, anklets, keychains, crystals. They even do advent calendars. So definitely if you want to check them out, and you can use my code SheCrafty to save 20% off if you want to do their shop or their first subscription box if you do one of their monthly boxes. But SheCrafty will save you that 20% off. So down inside of this bag is going to be filled with all of the bracelets, and I feel the cards are all in here too for each individual one. So here's all my cards, and then here are all of the bracelets. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and match these up to the cards so then I can tell you about each one. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one being the Manzanite bracelet. I'll show you on the side what it looked like of the image that I ordered it from. And I know every stone is different in like the color, the variation, all of that, but I was hoping it was going to have more like those deeper teals and darker blues in it. It's a lot lighter of this, like the stones that I got for this one, but this is the Manzanite, so it'd be the same thing that I read for the necklace, but here is the bracelet. I believe we did receive this one, but that's great because then I can wear two of them together, and then there'll be like different variations side by side. So I still love that. I got it. So here's the Manzanite bracelet, and it is to move beyond fear. Next then I purchased was the Labradorite, and online it looked blue, and I didn't have anything like those blues, but then this is how it came, more like the grayish. So, and I should have known because that's what this one is when it has like the shift of like color, and I could see it in a few of them from the Labradorite, how that is. So for this one right here, it contains energies that boost one's ability to repel anxiety and depression and inspire the wearer with the sense of enthusiasm and self-confidence. It inspires positivity, perseverance, and strength. It boosts confidence in its own abilities, and it can be used to bring amazing changes to your life. So there's that one. Next is the, I don't even want to butcher the name of that one. It's this greens, which that is so cool because I don't really have a whole lot of like greens, and I love like the dark little colors that are inside of them. Looks like little even like black lines or something. I just love the way that the color variation is inside of this one. So for this one, it says it assists in dealing with feelings of unrest during times of constant change. This stone of transformation can help you see and feel how the end of certain conditions can be beneficial for the evolution of your body, mind, and spirit. It opens your awareness to see the good in all things. That's amazing. So we have that one. Up next, we have onyx. I do have an all black one, but it's actually all lava beads. So I really wanted just an all shiny onyx bracelet because then I can wear this with any of them. I can stack them, do different colors. So I wanted like just this one right here. Onyx helps one have self-control and anchors one's flighty energy into a more stable way of life. It is the stone of inner strength and endurance, helping one to carry even the most difficult tasks to completion. I love that. Plus black goes with anything, and I think it would enhance colors. So like if I had the black even next to this one, it would probably make these colors look a lot brighter and darker. So I love that. So up next, we're going to go with the African turquoise bracelet. I'm going to assume it's this one because it's the only one that looks similar to the picture. So this one right here says turquoise is a purification stone. Its energy is excellent for depression and exhaustion. It also has the power to prevent panic attacks. Ooh, that's a good one. Turquoise is believed to bring luck and to possess powers, including the ability to promote wealth, attract love, and bring happiness. Turquoise encourages us to accept ourselves, scars and all. It can help release regrets and find self-acceptance, which is important. Up next we have is amethyst, and I could always use a pretty purple. And that would look so cool next to the black, like if you have the black and even like the white and together. Like, again, I love stacking them. So for amethyst, it is the perfect stone for you if you are facing stressful times in your life. The crystal helps people cope with stress by supporting mental calm. It also provides protection from addiction. It helps you make good decisions that will benefit you in the long run, avoiding those instant gratifications that don't feel so great later. So there is amethyst. Up next, and I honestly, this is something completely different, and I just thought these would look really cool together. They had 3 different ones. One of them was all orange, one of them was red, and then one was turquoise. I grabbed these 2 because I thought they'd be cool to have like a red instead of like a bright orange. This one here is the Red Wanderlust Turquoise Howlite Mala Bracelet. So the Howlite and the turquoise, that's what's in both of these. So I'll just read both of these cards. The Howlite strengthens memory and stimulates desire for knowledge. It teaches patience and helps to eliminate rage, pain, and stress. A calming stone. It calms communication, facilitates awareness, and encourages emotional expression. It balances calcium levels in the body. That's even amazing. And then the turquoise. The biggest gift of turquoise is helping us know that every part of us is an element of our divine self. To be understood and embraced, turquoise encourages us to accept ourselves, scars and all. It can help release regrets and find self-acceptance, which is important. Turquoise is believed to bring luck and to possess powers, including the ability to promote wealth, attract love, and bring happiness. So pretty much like the other African turquoise, because this is turquoise, so it has the same kind of benefits in there. So that is actually for both of these right here. And again, I thought that was so cool just to wear these together like that. I just thought that would look really neat. So there's that. And then the last one in here, it says the Sun and Moon in Balance bracelet. So this is what this one looks like. And this one has moonstone and sunstone. The sunstone meaning helps you to clear away limitations and negative energies by replacing them with light and high vibrations. It encourages independence and originality, especially helpful to those who have difficulty in saying no to others. It facilitates self-empowerment and independence. It acts as an antidepressant, increasing self-worth and confidence, encourages optimism and enthusiasm, stimulates self-healing powers. And then the moonstone is a stone for new beginnings. It is a stone for inner growth and strength. It has a connection to the magic of the moon and lunar energy. And again, I just thought that was super, super pretty with these soft pale colors like the white and like the peach and like a gray. I just thought that was really cool. And it says like these need to be together in balance like a yin and yang. So again, I just thought that was really cool. I love moonstone, sunstone. It's amazing. So that is the last and final bracelet. Cannot believe there was a buy 2 get 1 free, especially with that low of a price. And then the 2 gifts were free as well. So, oh my goodness, if you guys saw my Instagram and you went and grabbed some, let me know down below. How many did you purchase? Did you get any of the same ones that I did? Let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. So that is everything that I have to show. Again, I just wanted to pop on here, show you my order, show you all of my bracelets that I got, and I'm super, super happy with them, and I cannot wait to just start wearing them, stacking them with others. Like this is even theirs. Like literally, I have at least one bracelet on every single day. So I love their jewelry. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.